Hi, this is Mark Vila with ColDesi, and I'm here to talk to you about the PatchKit Pro bundle for your Avance embroidery machine. This is one of my favorite bundles. Firstly, because I really enjoy making patches just like this. It's really fun, cool, and unique. It's not too hard to do, and it's not a very expensive upgrade to your Avance 1501 embroidery machine. So check out this video and see how we make a patch just like this. Thanks for watching our video on the PatchKit Pro bundle with your Avance. If you're interested, please be sure to talk to our pros over here at ColDesi. Thank you.